Hello, and welcome to the fourth painting and assembly tutorial of resin kit figures. Now I have this great marble figure based on a design by Shunja Yamashita. This is an 1/8 scale figure, and I think it is suitable for a more advanced level than previous tutorials. You will need more precision and detail to complete a figure like this, but it is a good base for any other superhero figure on this Bishoujo line. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials in a growing figure kit gallery. Let's start by checking the parts as always, looking out for any bubbles or details to fix. We should try how the parts fit together and see if any possible adjustment may be needed, like reducing some part or fill with epoxy putty any seams between the pieces, so the finished figure will be as solid as possible. We should take advantage of all the tools at our disposal to get the parts ready. If we are using any moto tool, let's be careful with it to avoid removing detail and create more work for ourselves. When using sandpaper or files of any type, I recommend leaning the parts onto a firm table or work area to make the sanding work easier. If we use the hands up, we will move the parts much more, and this will only make the sanding harder and slower. Every tip of the moto tool has a purpose. I prefer to use the steel cutters for any joints and mechanical parts because they can leave a clean and straight result. If we need to cover the small pinholes that result from the casting, we may use cyanocrylate glue applied with a needle eye drop, and if we add some baking soda to it, it will solidify immediately. To reinforce the joints, we use nails, which I recommend should be as thick as possible according to the parts to join. We should drill with a bit a little thicker than the nails to use, so the glue can flow inside. We should also try how the nail fits into the piece and how deep it should go in order to drill both joints accordingly. We should do as many tests as necessary until we achieve a solid union. Finally, we can glue the nails to the parts using cyanocrylate glue and fill the space between the nail and piece so it won't move once assembled. We will stop the work now, and we will continue with the airbrush colors on our next video.